Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we talk all things motorcycles, gear, and everything in between. If you're a fan of two wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we've got a highly anticipated topic, and that's the 2025 Honda Hornet 125, a machine that blends style, performance, and innovation into one sleek package. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into what makes this bike one of the hottest topics in the 125cc segment. The Honda Hornet has been a legendary name in the world of motorcycles for years, with its iconic presence in the street bike category. But when we talk about the 2025 Honda Hornet 125, it's something special. This new model brings a fresh vibe to the Hornet lineage, with an updated design, more refined performance, and some tech features that will surely catch the attention of motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. The 125 BCC segment is one of the most competitive in the market. It's the gateway for many new riders, and in some countries, it's the ideal option for those who want a balance between power, performance, and fuel efficiency. The Hornet 125 aims to strike that perfect balance, offering an entry-level motorcycle that doesn't compromise on style or performance. Let's kick things off with the design of the 2025 Hornet 125. Honda has gone for a modern, aggressive look with this one. It's clear that they've drawn inspiration from the larger Hornet models and infused it with a youthful, sporty character. The sharp lines, angular headlamp, and compact body make this bike look fast even when it's standing still. Of the standout features of the Hornet 125's design is its front end. The LED headlights are slim, sharp, and give the bike an intimidating presence. They've also designed a set of wide, muscular fuel tank panels that not only enhance the bike's looks, but also improve aerodynamics. The bike's slim and compact nature makes it an ideal choice for urban riders. It's built for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, whether you're navigating through busy city streets or looking to take your bike on twisty roads. The sculpted tank is designed to be comfortable, especially for those long commutes, and it's definitely a design that appeals to both new riders and experienced bikers alike. Now let's talk about the heart of the bike, the engine. The 2025 Hornet 125 comes equipped with a single-cylinder, liquid-cooled 124cc engine. This engine is designed to provide a great balance of performance and efficiency. While it's not going to set any land speed records, it's more than capable of handling the daily commute and occasional weekend ride. The engine produces around 15 horsepower, which is pretty impressive for a 125cc bike. It's more than enough to get you up to speed on highways or twisty mountain roads. The torque delivery is smooth, and you'll find that the bike is responsive even when you're in the lower rev ranges. And one of the key features of this engine is Honda's use of modern technologies like PGMFI, programmed fuel ejection, which ensures better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. For new riders, this makes the bike more manageable, with fewer chances of stalling or struggling with throttle response. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the Honda Hornet 125 doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its efficient engine design and lightweight frame, you can expect an average fuel economy of around 70 to 80 miles per gallon. This makes the bike a great option for daily commuting or long-distance rides without having to worry about constant refueling. Overall, the engine on the Hornet 125 is tuned to offer a perfect mix of performance and practicality, delivering just the right amount of punch without overwhelming newer riders. Moving on to the suspension and handling, two crucial elements that define how a motorcycle performs on the road. The 2025 Honda Hornet 125 is equipped with a front telescopic fork and a rear monoshock suspension. The front fork provides good stability on both smooth roads and bumpy surfaces, offering comfort and control during everyday riding. The rear suspension is adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the ride based on your weight and the kind of terrain you're riding on. This is a fantastic feature for riders who like to experiment with different riding conditions, and it makes the Hornet 125 a versatile bike for a variety of environments. Whether you're riding through city traffic, on twisty mountain roads, or cruising on highways, the suspension on the Hornet 125 keeps things smooth and composed. The bike is lightweight, which enhances its agility and handling. You'll find that it's easy to navigate tight corners, and it has a very predictable feel when leaning into turns. Add in the fact that the bike has a low seat height, and you have a bike that feels stable and secure. This is perfect for newer riders who may still be learning the ropes when it comes to handling a motorcycle. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to any motorcycle, and the 2025 Hornet 125 doesn't skimp on that. The bike comes with front and rear disc brakes, which offer solid stopping power. The brakes are paired with CBS, Combi Braking System, a system that helps distribute braking force between the front and rear brakes to ensure a smoother and safer stop. For even more confidence, the Hornet 125 is equipped with a modern ABS system, which is becoming increasingly standard in the entry-level motorcycle market. This anti-lock braking system prevents wheel lockups in emergency braking situations, giving you added peace of mind, especially on wet or slippery roads. With its combination of disc brakes, CBS, and ABS, the 2025 Honda Hornet 125 ensures that both new and experienced riders can enjoy a safe riding experience without compromising performance. Now, let's talk about the tech features. The 2025 Honda Hornet 125 is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, which is sleek and easy to read. It provides all the necessary information like speed, RPM, fuel level, trip meters, and even an odometer. The display is well lit, so you can read it even in direct sunlight. For connectivity, the Hornet 125 comes with Bluetooth capabilities that allow you to connect your smartphone to the bike. Through the Honda app, you can track riding data, monitor performance, and even get maintenance alerts. This integration makes it a more tech-savvy option for riders who like to stay connected while on the road. Another notable feature is the LED lighting system. Not only does it add to the bike's aggressive look, but it also improves visibility, making it easier to be seen on the road, an essential feature for riders who often ride in low light conditions or at night. Now, when it comes to comfort, the 2025 Hornet 125 has been designed with ergonomics in mind. The riding position is upright and natural, which reduces strain on the wrists and shoulders. The seat is wide and well padded, providing comfort for both short city commutes and longer rides. The foot pegs are positioned in a neutral stance, allowing for a comfortable leg position without feeling cramped or stretched out. And with a low seat height, the bike is easy to handle, even for shorter riders. So, whether you're a beginner or someone with more experience, you'll feel at home on the Hornet 125. To wrap it up, the 2025 Honda Hornet 125 is an impressive offering in the 125cc segment. It combines style, performance, comfort, and modern technology, making it a top contender for anyone looking to step into the world of motorcycling. Whether you're a first-time rider or an experienced biker looking for a reliable commuter, the Hornet 125 is definitely worth considering. The engine offers the perfect blend of power and efficiency, while the design and handling make it a joy to ride in a variety of conditions. The addition of modern safety features like ABS and CBS, plus tech upgrades like Bluetooth connectivity, makes this bike stand out in a crowded market. That's it for today's review. I hope you enjoyed learning about the 2025 Honda Hornet 125. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the bike. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. And as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you finish listening after this video is done.